Have you ever seen a jet plane leave a white trail in the sky and wondered what it was? Several posts on the internet claim that this smoke trail controls the weather and even might be poisoning us. Find out to know if this is true or false. Hi, I'm Neha and welcome back to this week's episode of What the Fact is Going On. Today we'll be busting a very popular claim around aircrafts, or chemtrails. Chemtrails are basically the white lines that aircrafts leave. And how does this happen? Jet planes have water vapor in their exhaust, and at high altitudes or in the right condition, this exhaust crystallizes into ice and stays in the air for a while. This trail is called the Chemtrail or the condensation trail, and anyone can observe it from the Earth's surface. So the word chemtrails is just a wordplay, meaning that chemtrails consist of chemicals. So let's get to the theories. What do they state? Some think that these planes are releasing poison into the air, or they're attempting to manipulate the environment. Some theories even say that the planes are trying to control the general populace by making them more pliant and easy to manage. So let's tackle this one by one. Are these really toxins in the air? Watch this video where a military transport plane is said to be spraying toxins in the air. However, after further investigation, it was discovered that the plane was spraying mosquito repellent, which farmers frequently employ to apply insecticides on the field. So do these trails control the weather then? No, not really. But there's an actual process of creating rain called cloud seeding, which involves spraying a chemical known as silver iodide, which aids in the production of ice crystals in the clouds. I know what you're thinking. This is technically controlling the weather. But cloud seeding is a very common process seen in many parts of the world where there is insufficient rainfall. But this has nothing to do with chemtrails. And to test this theory out, scientists from the University of California, Irvine and Carnegie Institute researched the topic of chemtrails in 2016. In the study, 76 out of 77 scientists reported that there was no conclusive evidence of a secret large-scale atmospheric program. The scientists who didn't side with the others, that 1 out of the 77, said that they can't completely rule out the possibility. But that doesn't mean that there is no evidence of this theory being true. There are other photos that showcase the interiors of the planes, but there hasn't been a single piece of worthy proof that prove that mind control drugs or weather control chemicals were being sprayed out of them. And that's why we mark this claim of planes spraying toxins in the air for sinister purposes false. Hi! Thanks for watching Logically India. If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. We make fact-checking episodes every week. So if there's anything you want us to fact-check, let us know in the comment section below. Or download the Logically app for quick fact-checking services. This is Team Logically signing out.